Hi, I'm Mick Alabon. I'm the Senior Production Manager of the Leather and Seats Centre of Excellence. I'm responsible for the cutting and sewing of all leather parts that are assembled into a Mulsanne and for the manufacture of front and rear seats. The Centre of Excellence is a new manufacturing area created to support the launch of the Mulsanne. A team of 5 associates are responsible for the inspection and cutting process. It takes 3 hours to inspect and cut a complete car set of leather parts. Each associate has had specialised off-the-job training and have a minimum of 5 years' experience. The hide is inspected for imperfections to ensure only the best quality leather is used. There are 380 individual cut parts that go into a vehicle. This is 30% more than our previous model. A total of 15 hides are used per car. The cutting machine scans the hide to optimise the best utilisation of leather. It only cuts parts from perfect areas. The cut part is re-inspected to double check there are no imperfections in the leather. The construction method of the face panel on the front seat is unique to Mulsanne. There are 3 options of inserts. This is the ventilated straight flute version.
Hi, I'm Mike Batchelor. I'm the Senior Production Manager here at Bentley Motors at Crewe. The wood process itself entails in excess of 50 hours from actual veneer selection through to the final finish of the part. Within the wood technology there are numerous raw materials, all provided in their natural state. The veneer, which are high quality veneers selected from California, through to the hardwoods, the walnut, the oak and the cherry. Part of the veneer selection is actually the mirror matching of the veneer throughout the whole of the car. And you can see an example here how this pattern is replicated throughout the whole of the car on each of the parts. The hardwood materials are selected and then thinned and planed to the final finish size. Then they go through a series of 5-axis CNC machining to provide the final shape and form to go into the car. The final machined hardwood materials are then covered with the veneer that is selected previously to provide this mirror match finish throughout the whole of the car. After the wood parts have been machined, they are then sent to the sanding process to ensure that all of the parts are smooth and clean prior to the lacquer application. The lacquering process entails up to 5 coats of polyurethane polyester material, up to 1 mm in thickness. Once the polyester material has been cured over a 3-day period, the surface finish is then flatted and polished to give this very smooth, even finish to the final part. The evolution of wood in terms of the new Mulsanne, we see a greater intensity of parts, the quality of finish, the complexity of parts, the interchange of modern technology through CNC machines, combined with the craftsmanship of the workforce in producing a very, very high quality part.